Okay, now it's time to start Logic English Lesson 14. It's amazing to think that we are already to Lesson 14 when you think of where we started in Lesson 1 and we were just learning all our basic sounds. We have learned so many phonograms this year and so many rules, and we only have a couple of lessons left. So today we're going to start, and I want you to get out your student workbooks. And you're going to turn to page 269. We're going to talk about dividing words into their syllables. Now, why is that helping, Mr. Slates? Who cares if I can divide words into syllables? It actually helps a lot because it helps you to read the words so you know exactly where each part is, but it also helps you to spell the words. So I have 4 words here, big sheets of paper, and we're going to sort them into a couple of categories. If you remember right, the last time we talked about open syllables. Vowel is saying its name, A-E-I-O-U. Do you see my lines over the top? It's saying its name, right? In an open syllable, the vowel is saying its name. In a closed syllable, remember we talked about this the last time? My mouth gets squished up into that smile, so it's making the short sound, right? So, how do we figure this out? Well, you remember how we figure out syllables, right? Think about it. You can take your hand and you can put it under your chin. You feel your chin go down. However many times your chin goes down, that is the number of syllables. Some of us, like me, who are very old, we learned it by doing this, by clapping, or by tapping, or by snapping. It's kind of a rhythm of our words in English, isn't it? So let's look at this word, okay? Here's my first word. This is a word from actually a long time ago on our list A. So it's the word bagel. Bagel. Now, think about the sound my vowel is making here. Do I hear an A sound or do I hear an A sound? I hear an A sound, don't I? So guess what? Is that an open or a closed syllable? It's open, all right? So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to split the word where I hear a split in the syllables, meaning I hear the word divided into its 2 parts. Now I can tell by using my chin and by going bagel. And I feel my chin split right here. Bagel. See it? Bagel. So there's my 2 parts, okay? Bagel. It's an open syllable vowel because the vowel is saying its name. Do you see where I divided it? There's a vowel and then a consonant, and the A is saying its name. Let's try another one. Pointer. Pointer. Use your hand or clap or snap or whatever you need to do to figure out where your 2 parts are in your word pointer. 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 Now, do you see how you hear 2 consonants in the middle of the word? Point, pointer. Do you hear that? Whenever I have 2 consonants in the middle of a word, a lot of times, now not always, but a lot of times, guess what? I just split the 2 consonants in half. And one goes with 1 syllable, and the other goes with the other syllable. Pointer, pointer.